Welcome. Join me in a minute or two. Let's provide answer to this number-based question for WASSCE 2025 February NOVDEC edition. So in what base will the sum of, let's say, the sum of 5, 4, 1, 2, and 3, 6, 4, 3, sum me addition. Provide us an answer of 5, 5, 2, 1, 1. We are looking for the base to which this addition is done. Now, if we check, this plus this is already 5. So we can't tell the base. We only know the base will be about 5. So it will be base 6, 7, 8, 9 in that order. This plus this is also 5. The same idea. Now, this plus this is giving us 10. 10. And we are having the answer as 2. In what base can we convert 10 to be giving us what? 2 as a remainder. Remember, if I use 2 from here, that will be 8. So as we'll be having 8 as the base, or let me just say base 8. So 8 dividing 10. That will give you 8 to go here, 1. Remember what? 2. 8 to go here, 0. Remember 1. So 1, 2. Let's see. If it is 1, we are sending to the other side to add. So 1 plus 5. That will be 6. 6 plus 3. That will be what? 9. So 9 in the base of what? 8 will be 1. Remember what? 1. That's 1, 1. And that's the 1, 1 we are seeing in this place. So this means that what? By conclusion, we can say that this addition was done in what? Base 8. This is a simple, just by inspection. You can inspect and get the values you're looking for. Thanks for watching. Like, share the video, comment, and subscribe.